this is Irina Blount from lalalandcrafts, and today I'm here with day 4 of our 18 days of tutorials. If you're just now joining in, make sure to go back and watch the last 3 videos and comment on each video after you watch them for a chance to win one of 3 $50 gift certificates to our online store. In addition to the event on our YouTube channel, we also have an event going on our blog where our design team members also create tutorials for you each day for the 18 days from December 1st through the 18th. And when you comment on the blog posts, you'll also get entry into the giveaway. Today we're going to work on the gift card holder tag card. So it's a mouthful name, but this is a tag that has a card on the back of it. You can put photographs here, or you can write your messages, or both. And also it can stand like this. After you put it on the present, your recipient can display the tag holding like so, and it has the pocket on the front to put the gift card in. We're using a lot of our dies, newer and older ones as well, and we're going to be using this new clear stamp set called Snow Amazing, and has 4 different bunnies and different sentiments to go with it. And we're going to be using our newer Christmas paper pack. This one is called Christmas Hodgepodge. I already started using the papers, but I'll show you really quick what's included, what I have left of it. I really love the designs here. They're all vintage looking like, and you can mix and match. There are designs and stripes and dots. That's why we called it Hodgepodge, because it has a little bit of everything. It has some text, music notes, a hodgepodge. So we have, this is the one that I used on the tag, so I have a little piece left, but I absolutely adore this paper with the snowflakes and the music notes. I'll flip fairly quickly through them so we're not spending too much time here. And see, I'm keeping all the leftover wood from what I used already, because the paper is so beautiful, and sometimes it's hard to decide which side you want to use. So good thing there are 2 sides, but good thing there are 2 of each papers as well. Haven't used this one yet, so I have 2 of this. Really nice for the night scene. You're seeing the glare there. It's because our papers have a bit of the sheen to them, and also because I have the lights on. It's pretty gloomy outside, so I had to turn on the lights to do the video. So sorry about the glare. I like how this one looks like a old paper. I might be missing some of the papers from the pack. I might have used them already, but this gives you an idea. Okay, let's start. I die cut all of the pieces already. For the tag base, I'm using our large tags die, and it comes as a set of 4 dies in different sizes, and also the toppers, the reinforcers, in 2 different designs like this. I'm using the larger one, so once you use the wire cutters and separate the dies, this is the larger die that I used, and I die cut this layer from 2 of the white cardstock and 1 from my pattern paper. This tag here is using pink paper, and the one I'm going to make in the tutorial is I went for the blue one. First thing, I'm going to glue 2 of these white ones back to back, so I have finished side on the back side, and also makes my tag thicker, more stable for the card base. For my designer paper, I wanted to have designer paper in front, but I also wanted to have a little bit of the border showing all the way around. So what I did, I used my scissors and I cut right where the stitched line is, right on the line, and it's really easy. You don't have to measure anything. You just go around with your scissors, and it doesn't take that long. And now I have the white border that I was looking for. I like the layers, so even though I could have just layered it on top for the thickness, I really wanted the white to show. So now line this up. Beautiful. Now I'm going to put the reinforcer on. As I mentioned, there are two different designs for the reinforcers, and I used the round one on my sample tag here. I'm going to use the other design on the tag I'm making right now. I'm going to fold it in half and then use my liquid glue to put it on. And I usually put it on in the front, line it up, and then fold it and close it on the back. Cute. Now for the pocket, I'm using our pocket die. This is to give an idea. So the die comes with 3 different labels. These are the 2 of them, and then there's an oval label there as well. So I die cut my pocket already, and I die cut these 2 labels from the white cardstock. So the pocket, when you die cut, hope you can see it on the video, it has the lines right here that are embossed. So when you fold it, it creates a pocket. Pretty neat. Can use my bone folder to reinforce the folds here. And then I'll use my double-sided tape, my scoring tape on the folds. Like so. Now before I put the pocket onto the tag, I wanted to give it another layer. So I cut the white cardstock to be a little larger than my pocket. I'll list all of the measurements in the description below, so you'll just need to click on view more, I think, if you're on the computer, and it will expand the menu and you'll see all of the description with the links to all of these products, and as well as the dimensions, the measurements to all of the layers that we're using. If you are on the mobile device, you'll have to click on there is an arrow on the, like right now under the video, on the right side there is like an arrow there. You click on that and that will expand the menu. And to leave the comment, if you're on the mobile device, you'll have to scroll down all the way down of your screen, and then there'll be a space where to leave the video, where to leave the comment. Okay, now back to this. Before I glue the pocket on, I'm going to use this larger label and make it as a liner for my pocket. So this label can be used in different ways. It can be used as a liner, or it can be used also on the front for the sentiment. So I'm going to just use some of the adhesive here. Oops, everything is flying. And glue it to the top of this white layer. Leave a little bit of the border. And then my pocket can go right on there. I find it easier lining up from the bottom. So I have my layer upside down like so. So as you can see, the pocket is on, and you can probably see how it still gives you this dimension. So you can easily put either gift card or another tag or a note inside right here as well, or cash. And now I can put this layer onto my tag. I have this doily, and this is large half doily. It comes like this. We also have the smaller doily, so this is just for your reference how the sizes are. So this is the larger one. And I'm going to put it right behind this layer, and making sure that there is a space there between the reinforcer, the tag reinforcer. So all of the layers are standing out on their own. So I'm going to put this behind like so. And I think I'm going to use double-sided tape to attach this layer. Lining it up. So cute. Now to embellish the pocket, I have pierced circles die and the nested stitch circles die. I'm gonna layer those, and then I have a jingle bell wreath. I die cut it from the same paper pack, so you can see it has the. I hope you can see it has the polka dots in the back. Here's a little piece that stayed over. I tried first from the regular green cardstock, but it didn't look right. I think just the colors and everything just fits so well together, so I die cut it from the designer paper instead. I'm going to layer them like this. My wreath goes on, and I really liked how it's there. It adds so much to the design, and the leaves kind of go inside of the scallops, almost as it was designed to work together this way. Looks very pretty. So then my circle goes on, and since I have the design, this diamond, the harlequin design, I'm going to keep my wreath straight, and I'm going to put my circle on with the design going vertically. Now I can go ahead and put the circle onto the pocket. Okay, keeping it straight here. The next thing, I'm going to use this to stamp the sentiment, and I'm going to use a different bunny. I'm going to use this one right here. He's so cute, kind of funny face. I'm going to use a different sentiment with him. I'm going to use Winter Fun. This is the first time I'm going to use this sentiment. So before I stamp it on my little tag, I'm going to stamp it on scrap piece of paper to condition it. And I do it a couple of times. You can see the difference between first time stamping and the second time, so the ink conditions the stamp. Stamp it on my little label. Perfect. I'm going to see how I want to arrange them first before I glue everything on. think it's good right there. And my little bunny. I had a little bit of adhesive on him already for the stamp set when he was on display. So I'm just gonna add a little more. So cute. So cute. Sorry, just makes me laugh. Okay, now let's move on and make a card for the back of this tag. I have my card base here, folded in half, and I have 3 layers. I added the 1/8 of an inch frame all around with my scoring board on 2 of them already. I'm gonna do really quick the last one for those of you who might not seen this yet. So I'm using 1/8 of an inch measurement, and I'm going all the way around. And this creates detail that looks almost like another layer when you put it onto the card. So I'm going to, let me see. I'm going to put 1 on the back of this card and 2 in the middle, on top and the bottom. To put the card onto the back of my tag, I'm going to use double-sided tape again. And now this goes onto the back of my tag. Line this up. And here it is. So it's almost like a gift that keeps on giving. You can put gift card inside, write your greeting to, from, put pictures if you like to, and then put it onto your gift. You can add ribbons, you can add different fibers here, jingle bells, however you would like to finish your tag. And then after your recipient takes it off the gift and reads your greeting and everything, they can display it for years to come. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you like this idea and will give it a try. If you make something, make sure to share it. I'd like to see it. You can post it on our Facebook group. You can find all of the links in the description below there. And please make sure subscribe to our YouTube channel. We would really appreciate it. Then you'll get notifications every time we have something to show you. And this is all from me for today. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now.